When it comes to releasing new smartphones, Samsung benefits from a quirk of the calendar. Apple and Google, Samsung's chief rivals on the phone front, introduce their new flagships each fall, hoping to ride the wave of holiday sales. But because Samsung's Galaxy S phones typically come out at the start of each year, that gives Samsung the chance to see what the competition is up before releasing its own handsets. That's not to suggest that Samsung waits around for the next iPhone and Pixel devices before deciding what it will and won't do with the upcoming Galaxy S models. Work on the Galaxy S24 series coming out early next year was likely well underway by the time the iPhone 15 and Pixel 8 made their debuts, for example. But Samsung can see what those different phones deliver and adjust the messaging around its own flagship accordingly. In the case of marketing the Galaxy S24, then Samsung will have plenty of intelligence to draw upon, thanks to what the iPhone 15 and Pixel 8 releases have delivered. Those Apple and Google devices immediately joined the ranks of the best phones out there, drawing on the relative strengths of their cameras, displays, and overall performance. Here's a look at some of the key lessons Samsung could pick up from the iPhone 15 and Pixel 8 releases, and how those might shape what the phone maker chooses to emphasize when the Galaxy S24 hits the market in the coming months. Camera capabilities tend to be the most scrutinized aspect of any new phone. And these days, the focus seems to be on just how well a phone's cameras can perform when the lights are low. Low-light photography certainly seemed to be on the minds of Apple and Google when they prepped their most recent flagship releases. All four iPhone 15 models boast an improved photonic engine to bolster the color and detail of photos captured in night mode. Meanwhile, the main camera on both the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro features a wider aperture than Google's earlier flagships, allowing those newer phones to capture more light when taking photos. The results can certainly be seen when you compare the iPhone 15's low light output to other top camera phones, including comparable Galaxy S23 models. From the entry-level iPhone all the way up to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple's latest handsets turn out detailed photos in low light, particularly when you turn to the camera's night mode. In our recent low-light camera shootout, the iPhone 15 Pro Max stood out as the clear winner over top phones from Google and Samsung. We expect that Samsung is going to make sure that the Galaxy S24 improves upon the low-light performance of the current Galaxy S23 models. An early Galaxy S24 Ultra rumor claims that Samsung's premium phone will adopt a 1-inch sensor for its main camera. That would be the largest sensor on the market and would allow the S24 Ultra to capture more light, among other benefits. We expect to hear more rumors about the low-light photo capabilities of Samsung's upcoming phones in the build-up to their 2024 release. Samsung doesn't need reminding about how important battery life is when picking out a smartphone. But its rivals sure provided a reminder, as every iPhone 15 model saw its battery performance improve on its predecessor in our custom battery test. Even Pixels, which have recently struggled to deliver long life on a single charge, saw gains with the Pixel 8 release. We haven't heard much about Samsung's battery plans for the Galaxy S24, but if the Galaxy S23 is any indication, we don't need to worry about Samsung overlooking the importance of a long-lasting phone. The Galaxy S23 Ultra landed a spot on our best phone battery life list, while the Galaxy S23 Plus just missed the 11.5-hour cutoff. Hopefully, the momentum can continue with the Galaxy S24 when those new models arrive early next year. If the Galaxy S24 series releases early next year, what lessons can Samsung learn from the iPhone 15 and Pixel 8 releases to improve its own devices? You let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.